Essay on a hospital in English, 113 words. A hospital building is big and huge and consists of various sections for different types of treatments. Operation theatre, casualty section and emergency ward are a few such areas in a hospital. Few kuch. At the entrance, there is an inquiry room to guide people who visit a hospital. Doctors and nurses are available throughout the day to look after the patients. मरीजों की देखभाल करने के लिए डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेज पूरा दिन अवेलेबल रहती हैं. The rooms of a hospital have big windows and huge doors for easy movement of patients. A hospital is equipped with modern machines for better treatment of patients. There are several ambulances parked outside a hospital for transport. A hospital is usually a quiet but busy place where lots of people get treated. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.